Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in our diesel gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what's included in our 98 to 02 Dodge Ram 5.9 liter 24 valve Cummins gauge package. In this particular package, you're going to get a 60 PSI Boost Gauge, a 2400 degree EGT gauge, and a trans temp gauge, all featuring a black face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm 60 PSI analog boost gauge with a color change button on the front, 2-foot power wire on the back, and a 1/8 MPT pressure fitting. A 52mm analog 2400 degree EGT gauge with a color change button on the front, and a 52mm transmission temperature gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, a 98 to 02 Dodge Ram 5.9 liter 24 valve Cummins installation guide, a 9-foot nylon boost line with compression fittings, a 3-foot exhaust temperature sensor with a waterproof connector, a 6-foot exhaust temperature sensor harness with a waterproof connector, a transmission temperature sensor with bullet-style connectors, a boost bolt adapter, a transmission test port extender, a 2-foot power harness for your exhaust temperature gauge, a 2-foot power harness for your transmission temperature gauge, mounting brackets and hardware, gauge pod mounting hardware, a 3-gauge wiring kit with sensor and power wires, a direct replacement triple pillar gauge pod with a speaker cutout, and gauge visors for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.